Yes, Council, you were in Kigali, Rwanda,
Yes.
for a case challenging Owiny, Dollo and Butera. What really transpired?
Yes, that is reference number 29 of 2020. We challenged the appointment of Butera and Owiny Dollo. Butera never applied for the job of Deputy Chief Justice because none was vacant, but Museveni just appointed him. Owiny Dollo complained against him before Parliament that actually this guy is a rogue, this guy is not fit to be Chief Justice. Kadaga, then Kadaga was Speaker, he ignored our letters and they approved him. So challenging those things in the Supreme Court of Justice. So what was happening was a scheduling conference, where we agreed upon the issues. We actually gave us a hard time. We had put in things which happened after the case. I objected, then we had to adjust. But finally, we agreed on the issues to be answered. We are given timelines for submissions, and we are going to follow that to ensure that submissions are filed.
Council, but these people are retiring. Does your case still hold any value?
Very much value. They are retiring from illegal service. Remember, they are retiring with 100% pay. So when a judgment comes that your appointment was illegal, you don't retain those benefits.
Okay.
Because then if Owiny retires today and the court judgment comes and says no, Owiny was illegal appointed as Chief Justice, then he retires as a Justice of Appeal, because that would be his last valid position. He wouldn't get the 100% of Chief Justice. He would get 80% of Justice of Appeal. And two, these are things of eternity. We are working for posterity. Because if you think that merely by a person leaving your position, then something has the case has died. What will happen tomorrow? It means someone will come and do some manyanga, then afterwards, then everything goes. That's why we are still insisting the case is still valid, and actually it will be decided. Don't forget, the fundraising is via 701-881231 and 787-63086.
Yes, Council, can you summarize for us what happened in Kigali age limit case where you've just come from?
The age limit case, some of you thought it had ended, but it's still going on. And we are serious on it. What happened was hearing of the appeal. My appeal was against the decision of the first instance division, which was chaired by Monica Mugenyi as principal judge. Monica Mugenyi made very erroneous things, finally leaving intact the Museveni age limit removal, which we are challenging. She attacked my character. She said many things which were unbecoming and unconstitutional. That's why we went to the Supreme Court of Justice Appellate Division in 2020. Then we had hurdles of we had to fight Chiriabwire, we had to fight Balishaki. Now we have judges from Rwanda, Tanzania, and Kenya. So I think that panel will work for us. So the appeal was argued. We highlighted our submissions, and after that, the Attorney General replied. I rejoined. Then we are waiting for judgment on notice. That's what happened.
Oh, but Council, Museveni already stood. Does that case still hold any value?
These are matters which go beyond our personality. These are matters of constitutional interpretation. When a constitution is amended, it's not a joke. Museveni stood, but it would be better if it's made clear that his standing was unconstitutional, that his standing was actually in contravention of the constitution. And then in future, we are still here. If someone just comes and uses violence, beats up every person, flouts every law to amend the constitution, that must be clear that it's contrary to the Southern Community rules. That's why we are. Actually, one of the prayers I'm praying for is a re-hearing, that the case can be heard again. We don't mind whether actually it is even determined after Museveni has left power. What we mind about is the rule of law and justice. Don't mind. Don't forget, the fundraising is by 0701-881231 and 787-63086.